Who's the girl's mother? Definitely the woman on the right. They look so much alike. Second question. Find the number 30. Now double tap the screen, just so I know you got it right. Third question. What's the first app that shows up when you tap share and then more? I'm guessing it's the Messages app. By the way, did you know that if you follow me, I'll lose all my hair? Fourth question. Press and hold the comment button, then pick your favorite emoji. I bet you picked this one. Now, for the final question. Be warned, it's a tough one. What number do you see in the image? Post your answer in the comments and follow me for more fun quizzes like this.